Hello to all you hot tubbers out there. Welcome back to Tub Talk. And today we're going to be talking about one of the most important things about owning a hot tub, cleanliness. Keeping your inflatable hot tub clean is essential for maintaining a hygienic and enjoyable soaking experience. Regular cleaning and maintenance will not only extend the lifespan of your hot tub, but also ensure that the water remains fresh and free from contaminants. Follow these steps to effectively clean your inflatable hot tub. Just a quick heads up before we dive in, we might suggest some cool products and accessories in this video, and we have popped affiliate links in the description and in the comments to help you out while you're shopping for them. But I just want to be super transparent. If you end up using those links, we're gonna earn a commission. But don't worry, it doesn't cost you anything, and we're always gonna give you our most honest opinions. See, our main goal is to make sure that you have an amazing hot tub experience, so you keep coming back for more awesome content. So why would we lie to you? All right, let's get into it. Step number 1, remove debris. Before cleaning the hot tub, remove any debris or loose particles from the water. Use a fine mesh skimmer or a net specifically designed for hot tubs to skim the surface and collect leaves, insects, and other floating debris. One product that we recommend for this is the Intex Pure Spa Maintenance Accessory Kit. This step will prevent these contaminants from clogging the filter or settling on the bottom of the tub. Step number 2, detach and clean the filter pump. The filter pump plays a crucial role in keeping the water clean. Detach the filter pump according to the manufacturer's instructions and remove the filter cartridge. Rinse the filter cartridge with clean water to remove any accumulated debris. If the filter cartridge is excessively dirty, it may be time to replace it with a new one. Cleaning or replacing the filter regularly will ensure optimal filtration and water circulation. Step number 3, drain the water. Draining the water is an important step to refresh and clean your inflatable hot tub thoroughly. Follow the manufacturer's instruction for draining the hot tub. Use a garden hose or drainage pump to remove all the water from the tub. Ensure the drain valve is fully closed before refilling the tub. Step number 4, clean the surface of the hot tub. After draining the water, clean the surface of the hot tub. Use a mild, non-abrasive cleaner or a specifically formulated hot tub surface cleaner. Apply the cleaner to a soft cloth or sponge and gently scrub the interior and exterior surfaces of the tub. Pay attention to areas prone to buildup, such as the water line or any stains. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and ensure there is no residue left behind. Quick and Bright is a brand of cleaner for hot tubs you can find on Amazon. It may be worth giving it a try. Step number 5, use hot tub cleaner on the inside. To sanitize and disinfect the interior of your hot tub, use a hot tub cleaner or sanitizer specifically designed for inflatable hot tubs. You can do this by filling up your hot tub and pouring the cleaner into the water itself. Now, this cleaner is likely not going to be recommended for your skin, so do make sure you drain your hot tub, rinse it out, and refill it with clean water before soaking in it. Step number 6, clean lid and accessories. Don't forget to clean the lid and any accessories that come with your inflatable hot tub. Wipe down the lid using a mild soap solution and rinse it thoroughly. If there are any accessories such as cup holders or headrests, clean them using a non-abrasive cleaner and rinse well. Ensure that all components are completely dry before storing or reinstalling them. Maintaining the cleanliness of your inflatable hot tub is an ongoing process. Here are some important practices to keep your hot tub water clean and hygienic in between regular cleanings. Maintain proper water pH level. Regularly test the water pH level using a pH testing kit. Aim for a pH level between 7.2 and 7.8 as this range ensures optimal water balance. Adjust the pH level if necessary using appropriate chemicals as recommended by the hot tub manufacturer. Maintaining the proper pH level helps prevent scaling, corrosion, and water imbalances that can impact water clarity and cleanliness. Here's a hack. If you need to balance your pH levels, vinegar can do the trick. Keep the water clean and change spa water regularly. To maintain clean water, establish a regular maintenance routine. Monitor the water quality and appearance regularly. Even with proper maintenance, it's important to change the spa water every 2 to 4 months or more frequently if needed. Cloudy water, strong odors, or increased bather load are indicators that it's time for a water change. Draining and refilling the hot tub will help remove accumulated impurities and maintain water cleanliness. Clean filters regularly. Clean the hot tub filters according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually involves removing the filters, rinsing them with clean water, and occasionally using a filter cleaning solution to remove buildup residue. Regular filter maintenance ensures proper filtration, improves water circulation, and helps maintain cleaner water. Consider having spare filters on hand to allow for uninterrupted use while cleaning or replacing the filters. Shower before you get in the spa. Encourage hot tub users to shower before entering the tub. Showering helps remove sweat, oils, lotions, and other contaminants present on the body, reducing the introduction of these substances into the hot tub water. This simple practice goes a long way in maintaining cleaner water for a longer period and minimizing the need for frequent cleaning. Always keep the lid on. When the hot tub is not in use, keep the lid securely in place. The cover acts as a barrier, preventing debris, leaves, insects, and other external elements from entering the water. It also helps retain heat and reduce energy consumption. By consistently covering your hot tub, you minimize the accumulation of dirt and contaminants, keeping the water cleaner and reducing the frequency of maintenance. Do not relieve yourself in the spa. I don't think we need to explain ourselves, but we're going to anyways. Ensure that all hot tub users understand the importance of not relieving themselves in the spa. Urine and fecal matter introduce bacteria and microorganisms that can compromise water cleanliness. Set clear guidelines and communicate them to all users, emphasizing the need to use the bathroom before entering the hot tub. This simple rule promotes a cleaner and healthier hot tub environment for everyone. Add sanitizer to the water. Regularly add an appropriate sanitizer to the hot tub water. Chlorine and bromine are commonly used sanitizers that help kill bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms that can be present in water. Follow the manufacturer's instructions or consult a professional to determine the correct sanitizer type and dosage for your specific hot tub model. Test the sanitizer levels regularly to ensure they remain within the recommended range. By following these cleaning and maintenance practices, you can ensure that your inflatable hot tub remains clean, hygienic, and enjoyable for years to come. Remember to consult your hot tub's manufacturer guidelines for specific instructions and recommendations. Regular care and attention will keep your hot tub in excellent condition and provide a relaxing and clean spa experience for everyone. Thanks for watching our video. In order to get the most out of your hot tub, cleanliness is an important factor. We hope our video helped you out with your hot tub experience, and make sure you follow along for more content.